How to log out from CapCut on your phone. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, launch your CapCut application. Then tap on Me icon. Here I have not signed in, so first I will show you by signing in. You can use any of these following method to sign in to your account. So now as you can see, I have now signed in into my account. So now I will teach you how to log out of CapCut. Simply go to your profile and then tap on the menu bar. Then here is an option of signing out. Simply tap on sign out and then you just have to link email if you want, just to get the track of your account, and done. If you do it the second time, it will be logged out. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.